রাইট নাও টাইম হচ্ছে 1:18 বাজে। আজকে হচ্ছে 6 তারিখ, 6 জুন। লকডাউনের কতদিন চলতেছে আই ডোন্ট নো, মেবি 70, 80, 90, আই ডোন্ট নো। বাসায় থাকতে থাকতে ভিতরে যে হাড্ডিগুলো আছে সবগুলো মরচে পড়ে গেছে। এটা ধরলে মটমট মটমট শব্দ করে, লাইক দিস। এনিওয়েজ, সো ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু চ্যানেল এভরিওয়ান। আই হোপ সবাই খুব ভালো আছেন। আজকের এপিসোড, so in this video there will be two parts. In one part I'm going to show you how you can set up the motovlog in your helmet, and in another part I'm going to show you how you can set up in your tripod or like anything handhold like this. So first let me show you how you can set up with this. I'll show you in simple way so that you can understand very easily. Anyways, let's get started. You can use any tripod or just like this, anything. I'm going to use this tripod, Golda tripod. For this, what I'm gonna need: camera, tripod, adapter, Ulanzi case, and Boya MM1 mic. First thing first, I'm going to set up the GoPro inside the Ulanzi case. You can get it in. Okay, I'm leaving all the links in the description from where you can get it. So this is the Ulanzi case, and this is the pack. It will look just like this. The back side you will see a button like this. Press it little bit and slide it. It's opened, and okay, let me open the camera from the case. You need to remove your door. You need to pull off this door. This is pretty easy. I'm going to now set it here, and okay, it's locked. One thing I like the Ulanzi case, see, doesn't leave any space. It's not shaking. It's like snug fits. So now the adapter. This way actually. So this is very easy, and don't try to plug the cable just like this. Better you can do just like this way. Fantastic. So this is how it looks, pretty much okay. And now I'm going to use the Boya mic, which is just do this and do it just like this, and do it just like this way, and tighten this up. Alright, it's set. Now it's time to set the shotgun mic. Just set it over here, just like as okay. Anyways, if you are inside a room or in a place there is no wind, you can just keep it like this way. Or if you are, for example, if you are in a seaside or somewhere there is a wind, there are lots of wind, you can use the dead cat. So just like this, pretty simple is that. And now it's time to set it on the tripod. Use the screw. It's done. Now the final thing, just use the cable. There is two cable comes with Boya MM1, so use this one. 0.5 mm, just set it. Adapter, Okay, anyways, now I'm going to check this. I'm recording with my new vlogging setup to test the sound. So you have already seen how I set up this. Now it's time to set it over here, which is my favorite part actually. Now this way I can ride and talk, but be careful on the road. I'd like to keep it in front of the chin so that viewers can have the feel that they are riding. So this is just like this. You need Boya BYM1. So this is pretty much long actually. So, and be careful, you have to set like camera on this way. So if you want to record something from your phone, press the button to the downside, and if you use the GoPro, then press the button to the upper side, which is written in camera. So I have to set this inside my helmet. As you see, this is pretty much long, so I need to be useful. Anyways, so okay, I catch a fish, so you can use your boya to catch fish like this. Anyways, okay, so this is empty thunder helmet, so I'm going to set it inside the padding, just like this. As you see, now pull back the button. Oh my god, it's a bit tight. So okay, done. Now the final work is to set the mic. It has a crocodile teeth, so I need to set it somewhere. There is already another mic for the communicator. My god, so many things. So will it be okay? It's done. Maybe a little more. No problem. Yeah. So that is the position. This is it. Now let me just okay. This is it. Let me just wear it. Okay, right now I'm seeing 70% of the screen. So as you see, this is the position. Okay, right now I'm seeing 70% of the screen. So as you see, this is the position. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and definitely if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
Bye bye. First, let me set the angle. Okay, so I'm checking the audio quality of this. So, Bismillah, चलता है. Okay, I think angle is okay. Right now, speed is 30. Now the speed is 60. I'm talking. I hope the audio is crystal clear. So 60 kilometer speed. Now the speed is 70. Almost 70 kilometer speed. I'm talking. Let me check the sound test. Can you hear the sound? There are a lot of wind. Can you see something? An animal? We call it busy now. Now it's 74, 75. Okay. So I think this is the audio quality. You get the idea. This is the audio. It's a very beautiful place. Is Vatiari in Chittagong. Quiet place. I love this place actually. So often I come here and sit down over here. I enjoy this place. This is a natural lake actually, and there are jungles, and sometimes you can see like migrated birds and snakes and some animals. 3 days back I have seen a deer actually. Yeah. So okay.